I demand to know what he's charged with.
Both of you are charged with the killing of Marvin Larson. You are identified at the scene of the crime.
Rick, tell them
Tell me what, Marianne?
about the witness relocation program.
You'll have plenty of time to tell us in jail.
Now put both hands behind your head. Both hands. Get the car! Shut up and steer the damn thing!
Why, you just killed that guy?
No, I didn't kill him. I loved him. They killed him.
Then you can prove yourself innocent!
No, I never will. They'll kill me before I get a chance. The same goes for you. Get your foot off. Oh, you gotta break my damn legs! Will you stop that squealing? Marianne!
Oh my God!
Watch where you're going! Get us north as soon as you can!
Get your face off my dad!
Oh, this can't be good for you.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm taking your place. Move.
What are you doing?
Come on, move
No, this is a rented car. We could get in trouble if you
This
drive
moment
it.
in your life you're worried about hurts. Move.
God, give me my wheel.
You're gonna get us both killed, Mary.